Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Anna. And you?
I am Tom.
Where are you from?
I am from London. And you?
I am from Paris.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
I like tea.
Do you drink coffee every day?
No, only on weekends.
I drink coffee every morning.
What is your favorite food?
I like eggs. And you?
I like bread.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like apples.
I like bananas.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read every day.
What book are you reading now?
A story about animals.
I like animals.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, a cat.
I have a dog.
What is your dog's name?
Max, and your cat?
Lily.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen every day.
I like pop music.
I like jazz.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, on weekends.
I watch movies too.
What is your favorite movie?
Animated movies.
I like action movies.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym.
I like walking.
Walking is healthy.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you cook breakfast?
Yes, sometimes.
I cook every day.
Do you go to school?
No, I work.
I work too.
Do you like your job?
Yes, very much.
That is good.